Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm driving around in one of the most beautiful, peaceful, in fact the best place to live in Nigeria now. Yes, this is the best place to live in Nigeria now because of the good roads, the social amenities, and the rest of them. The peace of mind you will get here, my brother, is equal to none. And then the fresh air, you can see for yourself, flowers, trees. So now fresh air, now you go dey breathe for this place. So this is Uyo the Akwa Ibom state capital. So guys, come with me as I drive you around Uyo. I'm going to show you one of the cities you can live peacefully, quietly, and enjoy your life. No be only Lagos, Ibadan, Abuja, you understand. This is a place you will stay and you also enjoy life to the fullest. Now, as you can see, that is Market Square. It's one of the biggest market squares I have seen. Because of where I come from. Actually, we don't have a huge big market square, but this one is the biggest I've seen so far. You understand? So you can see their road, very clean. The road network in Uyo, they have one of the best road networks in Nigeria. In fact, apart from Abuja, when you rate Abuja number 1, you rate Akwa Ibom State number 2 in terms of having good roads and a very good road network. So guys, watch this video down to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section. Is Akwa Ibom better than Lagos? I don't know. If you know, tell me in the comment section. But for me, I prefer the serenity, the calmness here in Uyo, the peace of mind, and the rest of them. Not unlike Lagos, traffic, the stress and all that. If you come to this city, you're gonna love it. Yes, you're really gonna love it. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please help me click the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be among the first people to watch the video. You may not even see one single pothole in this my 15 minutes drive through video in the state capital. You understand? The capital of Akwa Ibom State, Uyo. You may not see one single pothole. They have very good roads, wonderful roads. So guys, as you can see for yourself, yes, and this is Oron Road. Remember, Uyo is the capital of the cleanest state in Nigeria. Yes, Akwa Ibom State has been winning this back to back. Is the cleanest state in Nigeria. You can see for yourself how clean the road is. When you come to Akwa Ibom, you just notice that yes, there's something different about this state. The cleanliness of this road, my brother, is a very clean state. Of course, they say cleanliness is next to godliness. So yes, in this video, I'm going to be taking you also to, in fact, let me not start mentioning things, but you'll be see. I just want you to watch and be wowed. You understand? So watch this video. Tell me what you think in the comment section. So apart from the road, when you come to Uyo, you will notice, in fact, Akwa Ibom entirely, you will notice they have, big roundabouts, and they are not just big, they are very beautiful. The way they arrange the roundabouts, make it look nice. If you don't know, Akwa Ibom State is one of the top oil producing state in Nigeria. So yes, they are rich in oil and gas. So guys, I'm going to take you now to a very beautiful estate that just looks like the Banana Island in Lagos. So just keep watching this video as I'm going to show you one of the most beautiful estates in Uyo. So guys, I'm driving into one of the most beautiful, well packaged estates in Uyo, and it's called Shelter Africa. So I'm going to be driving here. I'm going to be driving around this estate to show you the beautiful mansions, and how well arranged this estate is. So continue watching and tell me what you think in the comment section.